everyone, today we got some exciting news about the OnePlus 13R. It's getting a major upgrade that even the OnePlus 13 won't have. The OnePlus 13R will have a bigger battery than the OnePlus 13. The 13R will have a 6100 mAh battery, while the 13 will have a 6000 mAh battery. You might think it's a small difference, but here's the cool part. OnePlus is using their new Glacier Battery Technology. This new battery tech makes the battery last longer and work better. The OnePlus 13R's battery will keep at least 80% of its original power even after 4 years of regular use. That's way better than most other batteries. The OnePlus 13R might have the Snapdragon 8 Gen chip, which is great for affordable flagship phones. The chip is more efficient than the one used in the OnePlus 12R. A sneak peek shows that the OnePlus 13 will look similar to the OnePlus 12, while the 13R will have a square design like the OnePlus 10. This means OnePlus is giving each model its own look. We don't have all the details yet, but we can accept the OnePlus 13R to have a high-resolution display with a fast refresh rate and hopefully an improved camera setup. So what do you think about the new OnePlus 13R? Are you excited about the bigger battery and new design? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.